Hello, I am Naresh UC, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Grade College, Davanagere. Today I am going to deal Modern Indian Literature in English Paper 7. It is prescribed for BA Optional English 5th semester at Davanagere University. It is a session 39. The name of the play, Silence the Court is in Session, written by Vijay Tendulkar. In the previous session, session 38, we discussed absolute authority of the judge, double suggestion through the title, ironical presentation of court scene, and ironical title of Silence the Court is in Session. In this session, we are going to enable and understand the social concern of Vijay Tendulkar in the drama, and you are going to equip and understand the social concern of Vijay Tendulkar in the drama. In this session, we are going to discuss projecting the stark realities of life, social criticism, rebel against the orthodox society, Miss Benare is victimized by society, the evil practices. Projecting the stark realities of life. Tendulkar had tried to present modern society with its real worth, predicament, challenges, difficulties, and complexities in true colors. His characters are drawn on the canvas of originality without any attempt to moralize them. His plays are written in naturalistic manner and reject the idealistic portrayal of life in presenting the life realistically. Tendulkar's plays raise questions rather than providing a guideline or message to the solutions of the problems they deal with. As Wadikar rightly says, quote, the playwright seeks to present the modern man with his predicament, his challenges, his difficulties and complexities, unquote. In his article, Sudhir Sonalkar rightly points out, quote, Tendulkar's plays the ethical question remain both untouched and unanswered. It is Sudhir Sonalkar's 1993. Tendulkar's plays are like a mirror that reflects the individual's inner and outer world. While dealing with social realities, he reveals two major tendencies of Indian society: male dominance and feminine frailty. Social criticism in this play, the play Silence, the Court is in Session, is known for its artistic ingenuity and resourcefulness. Court combines social criticism with the tragedy of an individual victimized by society by Arundhati Banerjee. The play originated from a real life incident in which Tendulkar happened to overhear a group of amateur players whom he was guiding to their destination. Vaile Parle, the Mumbai suburb in which he lived, where the group was going to stage a mock trial. The play is in the form of a play within a play or a play in the form of rehearsal. In Silence, the Court is in Session. Tendulkar has depicted the difficulty of a young woman who is victim of the male-dominated society. Tendulkar has criticized the follies prevailing in the society. The play carries all the vitalities of contemporary life. It focuses on human mind and detects the ugliness in it. All the plays of Tendulkar are the result of his surveillance of the life, society, and different incidents of his own life. It deals with the problem of unmarried motherhood. Rebel against the orthodox society. Leela Benare is a female protagonist of the play who stands as a rebel against the established values of the orthodox society. Tendulkar has treated the character of Miss Benare with a great compassion and understanding, while social concern in the select plays of Vijay Tendulkar projecting her against the selfish, hypocritical, and ambitious male dominated society. By profession, she is a school teacher, sincere and dedicated in her teaching work, and an enlightened artist by heart. So, she has joined the amateur theatre group. The other members of the group are Mr. and Mrs. Kashikar, Balu Rokade, Sukatme, Pongshe, Karnik, Professor Damble, and Mr. Raute, who belong to urban middle class of Mumbai. Miss Benare is victimized by society. Miss Benare wants to share her happiness with others but hardly succeeds because her generous nature is not appreciated by her companions. In the exposure of the private life of Benare, their inferiority complex reflects frustration and repressed desires of their life. Miss Benare is cheated twice in love, first by her maternal uncle and later by Professor Damble. In the first case, the thing subsides with the passage of time, but in the other, she is caught in a trap through a cruel game cunningly played by her companions, as her love affair has already been exposed by her pregnancy. Being isolated and victimized by society, she offers to marry any of her companions, but no one comes forward to accept her proposal. On the contrary, she is denied both the right of living as she is dismissed from her job and the right that God has given to a woman to become mother as the sentence is passed to destroy the baby in her womb. Professor Damble, who is equally responsible for the same crime, goes unnoticed and unpunished. Although Benare's character symbolizes simplicity, innocence, and straightforwardness, the character of her fellow companions symbolizes meanness and cruelty. The evil practices. Her tragedy reveals the fact that in the male dominated society, woman's innocence is punished and man's deliberateness and violence goes scot free. In the play, Tendulkar throws light on the evil practices inherent in human nature, like crookedness, cruelty, and violence. In the play, the white collar, educated, and civilized middle class people become aggressive and violent against their fellow companion, who is a female, and entertain themselves at the cost of her honor and dignity. Benare suffers for the crime that she has not committed, as she says, "These are the mortal remains of some cultured men of the 20th century." In silence, the court is in session. Tendulkar directs his criticism against the hypocritical male attitude in Indian society, where a woman is quite suppressed and any small attempt by a woman for her freedom is highly deteriorated. Benares tragedy reveals the fact that women are born to suffer even in the most sophisticated, civilized section of the society.